Hello students, this is Priyesh sir. Today we are going to start with chapter 14 Statistics, in which you will learn about introduction, collection of data, presentation of data, graphical representation of data, which includes bar graph, histogram, and frequency polygon. We will also learn about measures of central tendency, and there are three ways which we can find the measures of central tendency. Number one, the mean, which is also known as average. The next is the median and the mode. Now we are going to learn about preparing a frequency distribution table using the telemarks. For 1, you have 1 bar. For 5, you have 4 and 1 cross. For example, the distance in kilometer covered by 24 cars in 2 hours are given below. The various kilometers are given of 24 cars. Now we have to represent the above data as a frequency distribution table using a telemark. So now note down this question so that we can proceed further. You can pause in between the video so that you can note down the question. For preparing the table, we need to draw a table like this, wherein the first column will be class interval, the second would be telemarks, and the third would be frequency. As we can see from the data, the smallest number which we can see is 65 and the largest number is 149. As we can see, the smallest number is 65 and the largest number is 149. So the range between this data will be 149 minus 65. So the gap between the largest and the smallest number is nearly 84, rounding up to 90. If we prepare 6 groups of 15 each, we get 6 groups like that. So let's start from 60 to 75, 75 to 90, 90 to 105, 105 to 120, 120 to 135, and finally 135 to 150. As we can see that the smallest number 65 comes in the first group and the largest number 149 comes in the last group. So it is very clear how to prepare a table and how to make the groups according to the values given. Now we shall consider the numbers which lie between 60 to 75 and then put a telemark against them. For 65 we put 1 mark and for 67 we put the other. And that's all for the first group. So we put frequency equal to 2. Similarly, we can do for the other groups also. The numbers lying between 75 and 90 are 4. So we have got 4 telemarks and the frequency will be 4. And similarly, so on. Like this we can prepare the frequency distribution table with the telemarks. These groupings are called classes or class intervals, and their size is called the class size or the class width, which is 15 in this case. In each of these classes, the least number is called the lower class limit and the greatest number is called the upper class limit. For example, in 60 to 75, 60 is the lower class limit and 75 is the upper class limit. Few examples which are given. Number 1, the marks obtained by 40 students of class 9 in maths exam are given below. These are the numbers that are marks obtained by 40 students, and you have to prepare the frequency distribution table using the telemarks. The minimum and the maximum marks in the given raw data are 1 and 24. It is given that 15 to 20 is one of the class intervals that we have to make it, and the class size should be the same. So you can start from 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, and the last number should not be included in the previous number. For example, if you take 0 to 5, 5 will not be included. Second example, the weights in grams of 25 oranges are as follows. Here you have to take the first class as 45 to 55, where the class length will be 10, and the last class will be 125 to 135. You have to prepare the frequency distribution table using the telemarks. In this video, we have learned about frequency distribution table using the telemarks, the class length, the class interval, and the class size. So, in the next video, you will learn about presentation of data by graphical method. Thank you very much. Stay tuned on this channel.